I really like Microsoft's Defender for Cloud because it not only protects your resources, but it also is going to give you suggestions on how to increase your security. Let's take a look at Defender for Cloud for your AZ900 exam. Starting out with Defender for Cloud for Applications. This is going to deliver full protection for your software as a service applications. And it will help to monitor and protect your cloud applications, such as email from Exchange Online and also Microsoft 365 Office products. Then we have Cloud Access Security Broker. This is a shadow IT discovery service to hunt down threats. It also gives you visibility into cloud app usage by your users and protection against app-based threats from anywhere in the cloud, as well as information protection and compliance assessments. It could be great for compliance for certain vertical markets with those requirements. For the Software as a Service Security Posture Management, this enables security teams to improve your organization's security posture and stay in compliance. Defender for Cloud has advanced threat protection, and it's part of Microsoft's Extended Detection and Response, or XDR solution. It enables a powerful link between malware and vulnerability visibility across many different types of advanced attacks. It also includes app-to-app protection, which extends the core threat scenarios to OAuth-enabled apps. A lot of different applications now are using OAuth for their authentication to allow users to access those applications. And you want to make sure that if there's any vulnerabilities, that they're going to be protected against using Defender for Cloud. So what is the purpose for Defender for Cloud? It continuously evaluates your cloud posture across Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google. It identifies misconfigurations, vulnerabilities, and compliance gaps. So it's not all about Azure resources. You could also protect in other cloud services. And it's going to apply workload protection for virtual machines, containers, databases, all the different types of resources that you can create in your cloud. And then it responds to threats in real time and provides actionable alerts, which I'm going to show you in a demonstration here shortly. It also provides automation on what to do when those alerts happen and integration with SIEM or SOAR tools, which are log aggregators that basically take logs from multiple different locations, bring them all into one location, and then determine what types of threats or vulnerabilities are there. In the Azure portal, you'll want to search or click on Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Here you can see I've got my subscription and I've got 5 different assessed resources, and you can see all the different environmental risks and secure score, things like that. Now, I don't have a lot going on in Defender for Cloud right now, but if I click on my assessed resources, it's going to give us a really good idea of what's happening. Here you can see the resource count by environment, so I can add Defender for Cloud to my resources in Azure. You can see 5 of those. I don't have any in AWS or Google, but you can see how easy it is to see the resource count by those different environments. Here are the different resources and the unhealthy resources that are reported, and I'm going to click on the virtual machine because you can see there's recommendations that I can do to make my environment more secure for my virtual machine. It also can show me alerts, installed applications, and any secrets involved, say with encryption. But take a look at these various different severities and their status. For instance, I'm going to click on this top one, and it's going to give me an idea of what's wrong. So you can see Defender for Cloud has identified some of your network security groups, inbound rules to be too permissive. So it's saying on the right-hand side, I got to take action. I can go into networking and it gives me step-by-step instructions on how to lock down those ports. If I scroll down, you can see that it also gives me risk factors as well as tactics and techniques to resolve the issue. Defender for Cloud can protect all these resources in these different cloud environments and notify you of any issues that can trigger an alert. For the AZ900, be sure to understand that Defender for Cloud is the Azure product that should be licensed for protecting these types of resources.